The Ministry of Education, Culture, Sports, Science, and Technology of Japan called for applicants and selected Utsunomiya University as a part of the 2020 Inter-University Exchange Project. Support for the formation of collaborative programs with African universities under Type A, Startup for Exchange Promotion Program. We would like to introduce the program for developing human resource to contribute to SDGs by merging African potential and Japanese scientific technology. First of all, let us explain the background of applying for the startup program. First, in April 2019, Utsunomiya University reorganized and integrated the master's programs into a unified program called the Graduate School of Regional Development and Creativity, aiming for regional revitalization, integration of liberal arts and sciences, and the development of the local human resources. Second, as with universities in Africa, Utsunomiya University is actively promoting the Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs. Third, student exchanges between our university and African countries have just begun at the University of Ghana and the Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology in Kenya. Also, we have academic exchanges in 4 countries, including Ghana, Kenya, Ethiopia, and Tanzania. Lastly, in African countries, agriculture is the primary industry, but on the other hand, there is room for improvement in productivity and profitability. At the same time, local potentials, including knowledge and resources, have been underestimated. Therefore, we need to be proactively involved in addressing the SDGs. Therefore, we saw a close collaborative opportunity between the Graduate School of Regional Development and Creativity and 6 universities, namely Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology and the Meru University of Science and Technology in Kenya, Addis Ababa University in Ethiopia, University of Dar es Salaam, and Nelson Mandela African Institution of Science and Technology in Tanzania, and the University of Ghana. There are needs for international students from Africa and Japanese students to study together, and the universities in African countries and Utsunomiya University to carry out comprehensive and interdisciplinary education and research that complements both sides. Now we would like to introduce in more detail the purpose and outline of the exchange program. Led by the Graduate School of Regional Development and Creativity, with the distinctive interdisciplinary characteristics of liberal arts and sciences, our program aims to develop personnel who can contribute to joint activities between Africa and Japan by understanding the potential of local communities and achieving sustainable development based on the social structure. In realizing the purpose, this program contains 2 main areas. The first is a program on high productivity agriculture centered on molecular agriculture and smart agriculture. The second is a program aimed at the sustainable development of local communities in African countries, driven by African potential and high productivity agriculture. Also, we will promote education in line with the 17 goals of the SDGs. International students from Africa and Japanese students from Utsunomiya University will team up and work together to develop solutions to achieve the goals. This initiative also emphasizes creating opportunities to acquire specialized skills and knowledge through fieldwork and internships in collaboration with companies in Tochigi Prefecture and Japanese companies in Africa. Through such exchange programs, We intend to produce highly specialized personnel who can promote understanding of local communities and contribute to sustainable development through high productivity agriculture. In Kenya, Professor Elijah Ateka, Dean of the School of Agriculture and Environmental Sciences, Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology, and Professor Romanus Odhiambo, Vice Chancellor of Meru University of Science and Technology, participated in applying for this program. In 2017, Kenya banned plastic bags and the possession became subject to arrest. There is a great deal of interest in environmental issues and SDGs, and students from Jomo Kenyatta University won the SDGs competition as shown on their website. Agriculture is the most crucial industry in Kenya, and the country exports coffee and other products. Research and development for horticultural crops, such as tomatoes, have been lagging. The yield loss caused by pests and diseases has been a severe problem. A student from Jomo Kenyatta University conducted a field survey followed by experimental analysis at Utsunomiya University with us. We published 2 articles in international journals in 2020. As Tochigi Prefecture is known for its horticulture, including strawberries, students can study extensively, ranging from production to business in horticulture at our university. It is also a good opportunity for Japanese students to interact with people in rural Kenya, see and eat agricultural products not found in Japan at the market, experience different food cultures, and learn scientifically about agricultural production. Thereby, Kenya and Japan will mutually enhance their master's programs. In Ethiopia, we prepared the application with Professor Tessa Woldohanna, the president of Addis Ababa University, through Dr. Bezawork Afework, who had completed her PhD at Utsunomiya University and now is the chairperson of the Department of Zoological Sciences, College of Natural Sciences, Addis Ababa University. Ethiopia is a country with its unique letters and food culture. For example, it is the only country where the staple food is teff. It is also the origin of coffee. However, wild coffee trees in the primeval forests are decreasing due to vegetation changes caused by global warming. There are growing issues surrounding agriculture and forestry, such as deforestation, soil erosion in the rainy season, and salt damage caused by irrigation in the dry season. Many of the students we met at the local research institutes and study abroad information sessions held in the region were from rural areas and aware of the issues. We saw strong demand for solutions. Therefore, in this program, students can learn in various areas offered in our master's course and develop entrepreneurship to analyze issues and plan sustainable solutions. In addition to skills of problem analysis, identifying solutions, and planning based on the solutions through fieldwork in rural Ethiopia, we provide education in collaboration with local companies and social entrepreneurs, such as practice and theory of entrepreneurship at our university, to contribute to sustainable development by training entrepreneurs. In Tanzania, Dr. Lulu Tunu Kaya, Director of Internationalization, Convocation and Advancement, University of Dar es Salaam, and Professor Dr. Anthony Mushandete, Deputy Vice Chancellor of Academic Research and Innovation, Nelson Mandela African Institution of Science and Technology, kindly support the program. Faced with many issues such as poverty, food, health, and environment, Tanzania is attracting attention to solve such problems by utilizing existing indigenous resources. Faculty members from our university and the University of Dar es Salaam have already jointly published books on useful plants. Also driven by the COVID-19 pandemic, which has no established therapeutic drug, the potential of utilizing indigenous resources is gaining attention. Thanks to the co-authorship, Nelson Mandela African Institution of Science and Technology has offered joint research on baobab oil. We agreed on graduate school exchanges and concluded a memorandum of understanding that specifies the SDGs as its objectives. Furthermore, we have conducted joint research with the University of Dar es Salaam on nutritional analysis of indigenous and wild foods. The results revealed that wild leafy vegetables in the semi-arid regions of Tanzania are rich in calcium and iron and have the potential for positive health effects. We believe that this program will facilitate the African and Japanese students' understanding of the potential of indigenous resources, knowledge, and natural environment in Tanzania, combined with the professional knowledge acquired on Japanese science and technology, such as agriculture, nutrition, social science, and environment at Utsunomiya University. This program further contributes to realizing the SDGs. We also work with Professor Ebenezer Oduro-Ous, the Vice-Chancellor, University of Ghana. Ghana has been a friendly country to Japan since the time of Dr. Hideo Noguchi, the 1920s. Our relationship started with an inter-faculty agreement with the School of Agriculture, which has evolved into a university-wide agreement. The University of Ghana and our university have active engagement such as student exchanges for undergraduate students and proceeding from Ghana to our graduate school. Exchanges among faculty members have also begun. In 2018, a faculty member from the School of International Studies gave a special lecture at the Center for Asian Studies at the University of Ghana. We plan to continue the exchanges. Agriculture is the most crucial industry in Ghana, and it exports cacao and other agricultural products. Students from our university are also learning about local issues by visiting cacao farmers and participating in local NGO activities while at the University of Ghana. On the other hand, we are looking forward to seeing Ghanaian students studying at our university contribute to the development of agriculture and rural areas in Ghana by applying the acquired knowledge in Japan through their learning and research. In this way, the program will comprehensively contribute to achieving the SDGs by mutually enhancing master's programs in Ghana and Japan. Let us introduce some of our students. A former Ghanaian schoolteacher, Mr. Frimpong Andrew Charles, a first-year master's student in the Graduate School of Regional Development and Creativity, studies Japan's technical education system and compares it to that of Ghana. Mr. Stanislaus Akua, a second-year doctoral student in international studies, researches how the Tokyo International Conference on African Development and Japan's assistance contribute to Ghana's development. Mr. Kojo Amza Oben, a third-year doctoral student at the United Graduate School of Agricultural Sciences at Tokyo University of Agriculture and Technology, deployed at Utsunomiya University, is studying what well-being means to us in nutritional biochemistry. These students aspire to contribute to the future of Ghana, Africa, and the SDGs through education and research at Utsunomiya University. They are also invaluable contributors to launch the exchanges between universities in Africa and Utsunomiya University by introducing Ghana and Africa to our students. This program aims to continue ongoing exchanges between universities in Africa and Utsunomiya University, build mutually beneficial relationships, share knowledge, and exchange human resources even after completing the program. Specifically, Utsunomiya University facilitates human resource exchanges, joint education, and joint research while regularly holding workshops and symposiums on a rotating basis among the participating African universities. Gradually, we transfer the program's leadership and ownership to each university, establishing inter-university networks. It will enable each university to spontaneously and continuously improve its educational and research potential after the program ends, while sustaining mutual exchanges among African universities and Utsunomiya University. Here are some notable characteristics of this program. In Japan, Tochigi Prefecture is the best producing area of strawberries, Chinese chives, and kampyo, that is dried bottle gourd shavings. There is a large-scale strawberry tourist farm in the prefecture. Located in the prefecture, Utsunomiya University has a high level of research capabilities in the interdisciplinary field of engineering and agriculture. Given Africa's high potential, we expect to mutually realize sustainable development by nurturing human resources skilled in agriculture and interdisciplinary insight of both liberal arts and sciences. Our efforts toward the SDGs are beginning to realize. After submitting this plan in September 2020, students from Utsunomiya University won the SDGs Business Contest, and a student from Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology won the African SDGs Contest. Collaborating with 6 universities in Africa, we are looking forward to making further progress in developing human resources that contribute to attaining the SDGs. Thank you very much.